Hello everyone, I am Faith Godbold from A Touch of Faith. Welcome to my channel. You all have been showing me so much love on this video where I made the Magnolia flower wreath. Several of you even asked how I made the petals, so I thought I would create a short series just to answer your questions. In this first video, I show you how to create the daisy petal specifically for a Magnolia flower wreath. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you receive notifications when I add new tutorials. Okay, let's get started. Let's learn how to make a daisy petal. I'm going to take a piece of this beautiful lavender and I'm going to show you how to make a daisy petal. Now, it is simple to do. I like to place my mesh on the table. Right now it's curved side facing down, so let's place it on the table curved side facing up like that so you can see the difference. And I like my finished edge on the upper right and the lower edge. When I say finished, I mean the factory edge, which is not the same as my wood burned edge. Okay, it is also thicker because you can see how they've woven in the fibers of that poly burlap mesh. So factory or finished edge, upper right and lower left. And all I'm going to do is grab this top tip, pull it straight down to the bottom, creating sort of like a little half triangle here. Let the tips meet, and then I like to crease it. Okay, so you can start to see that triangle. Now, if needed, you can put a clip here to hold this tip. I've even used a little bit of hot glue before to hold it. Not a big deal if you don't want to do all that, okay? Now I'm going to rotate it because I'm right-handed. I like to rotate my tip to the left. And then all I'm going to do is just hold my the tip and this left side with my left hand. And I'm going to take the right side and I'm just going to start gathering it all the way. Now what I like to do is I will slightly fold under this first edge here. You can also use your table to do that. And then now, as I gather, that raw edge is contained, just like so. And I hold my tip so it stays in place. When you get all the way to the end, I do the same thing. And I fold under that edge, just to get rid of that raw edge. Okay, so that's how you make your petal. You can either rubber band it or zip tie it. I like using zip ties, so we're going to zip tie that together, and I'm zip tying it at about a 1/4 inch down, almost 1 inch. Okay, and then I tighten, and then I just use my wire cutters to cut it off. And the only thing different in the video you may have seen of the Magnolia flower is what I did is I took the tip, and instead of having it pointed down, I pointed it up, just like so. So that is how easy it is to make this particular fold, the daisy petal, either the normal way, where it's arched down, just like so, or you can arch it up. Now, while I'm here, let me go ahead and show you my little tip. I like to use a little bit of glue just to keep my tips together, and I always put it on the finished edge right here where it's thicker, so I just squeeze a little bit. Really, you don't even need that much, and I match the tips together. I'm gonna slightly press that, and that will ensure that your tips stay together no matter what happens when you place it in your board. And now I can flip it back up. Notice it stays together nice and neatly. So however you're using your daisy petal, this is how you create it. So I hope you found this to be easy. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment and we'll come back and we'll certainly create something beautiful with this. Stay tuned for the next video. To see more of my wreath tutorials, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. To see more of my wreath designs, visit my website at www.atofaith.com. To learn how to make wreaths and so much more, join my private membership group at www.learnfromfaith.com. As always, be blessed. Love you all so much.